know I love all kinds of weird gadgets and fun kitchen supplies. So I always wanted to show you the weirdest kitchen item that I own. And it probably is this.
Oh, hello kids! You can't imagine how exciting it is to be in this video. Me egg jokes won't be ignored this time. What are you doing? No, I'm just an egg. I'm too young for this. I guess I shouldn't ever become a stuntman. Should I say a stunt egg?
So this is basically like a miniature theme park ride or a very cute torture machine. Now you've seen this machine in action, and actually it is from the very same brand I made this giant 3 kg pudding of, Takaratomi, and its real name is not a torture machine, but おかしな卵回して丸ごとプリン. That's the long name. To translate this so that it actually makes sense in English, it would be epic egg spin 360-degree pudding. So I think it's really epic that you can make like pudding inside of an egg without actually cracking it open. Also, this here doesn't require any batteries, so you can operate it manually by pulling the lever. Just have to be careful that I put the egg in large side up. And then close the lid very well until it makes a cackling noise like this. Then we'll just dock the pudding and mount the transparent cupola. On the packaging, it didn't say how long you have to spin. Now, spinning this the whole time is super exhausting if you don't have any muscles. Like your body is just made out of marshmallows. It can get super exhausting to spin this the whole time. Go somewhere dark or turn the lights off. Then take a flashlight and hold it against the egg. When the densest part of the egg yolk is not completely dissolved, then the light is able to shine through the entire egg. However, that is not possible when the egg yolk is not all mixed up and dissolved inside of the egg. That is how you know if you've beaten the inside of the egg properly. Then you wrap the egg inside of wrapping foil. It also doesn't say why you should wrap foil around the egg, but I suppose it's kind of like to keep the heat drawn or isolated. Cook up a pot of water, turn the heat off, and then put the egg inside the hot water and let it like that for 30 minutes. And now to the reveal. When you crack open a normal egg, this is what happens. But after this egg's little adventure, it looks like this. By topping it with caramel sauce, the transformation from a normal egg to pudding in an egg is complete. Now probably some of you may think, wait, this is an egg, this can't possibly taste like pudding. But actually, in my opinion, this is just what real pudding should taste like. Just everything from the smooth, melty consistency to the eggy flavor is just perfect. Also, if you use homemade caramel sauce made using brown sugar, you can actually have a much healthier version of your traditional pudding. If you're not a fan of sweets, you don't have to use caramel sauce, but you can simply peel the egg, cut it into slices, and make egg smileys using ketchup. And if you decide to boil the eggs longer, then you can use them in any recipe that requires hard-boiled eggs. Do you guys have any fun or weird kitchen supplies? And if not, would you want any? Let me know in the comments below, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye boo!